Hello, what is your name?
My name is Vivek. I am from OM 223. The first point is metal valve point. It is located from the fifth intercostal space.
Third, fourth, 5.
And 1.5 centimeter inside.
Okay, good job. For listening heart sound, we need silence, warm. You listening sound? Very fast? How you listening? Okay. Next point.
Then second point is aortic valve point. It is located on the right side in the second intercostal space.
First, second.
Second intercostal space.
Near
the sternum.
Good job. Listen. Next point.
Next point is pulmonary valve point. Pulmonary valve point. It is located on the left side, second intercostal space, near the sternum.
Okay.
Next one is tricuspid valve point. It is located
Xiphoid
xiphoid process.
of the sternum.
It is located down of the xiphoid process of the sternum.
Okay, please. Listening with fundoscope. Put your membranes fundoscope. This, please. Small left side, small right side listening. And you need analyzing where you good listening. You listening sound? Okay, next point name.
Next point name is
Botkina Erba point.
It is located from the third on the left side, third intercostal space near the sternum.
Okay. 1, 2, 3. Okay, good job. Okay. Do you have watch open in 1 minute count how much patient have heartbeat? Put your fundoscope mitral valve points, lap dab. This is 1 heartbeat, and count in 30 seconds how much after multiply by 2. You counting how much?
42.
42 in 30 seconds.
84.
Okay. Completed.